last 35 years. I saw the obscenity of it. It helped me see why I felt so strongly when I read in the paper a couple days earlier that somebody died being transferred from one hospital to another after they'd been in a car wreck because they didn't have money for the first hospital. They didn't have insurance or money. And so they were going to ship them over to the public hospital, and they died en route. And why I hadn't seen the obscenity of how we handled money until that moment. Because I was in private practice, you charge so much for your services, da, da, da. And now for the first time, my God, this woman is thinking that I will only give her service with her child if she gives me money, a certain amount of money. And from that moment to this, I've tried to liberate myself from the world economic system and to get the words charge, pay, worth. I try never to pay anything, to pay for anything. I try never to charge for anything or to think of anything as worth something. So let's see if you can transform those words. What would she have said if she had been a giraffe? Instead of what do you charge, what would she have said?
Well, I feel really concerned because I have a real need for my child to come and see you. And I'm wondering if you would be willing to see my child. And if as you see this, as you see my child, knowing that I cannot pay money to you, but that I cannot give you any money, would you be willing for me to contribute to your well-being in some other way?
I love that. I love that.
Did she have no money?
She had very little. She had very little. I'm sure she would have given me the money, whatever that I asked for her. But it would have been a real sacrifice. I mean, she would have had to sacrifice a lot of other things. And,
I think I would, if somebody was asking me how much do I charge for my services, I might say to them, well, how much can you afford, or what value do you place on what I will be giving you in this situation? And what would you like to contribute?
that comes closer because, you see, if I'm using giraffe, I never want people to pay money. That's obscene to me now. I want to give them the service. I want them to know that if I have something that serves life, I'll be glad to give it.